I'm a qualified addiction therapist. I've worked in the field for 15 years. I am in recovery myself. I came in 1989 when I was 23. And I've worked in schools. I present in schools, in the independent school sector across the country, and have done since all the mid-90s, talking on addiction, self-esteem, bullying. I train teachers, talk to parents, and talk to 13 to 18-year-olds. So right across the spectrum. And I've watched addiction treatment and kind of society's view on addiction change over the last 20 years with great interest. And I think very slowly we are beginning to face in the right direction. But it does need, I think our attention needs to move to addiction being a relational illness rather than always focusing on the manifestation, on the drugs, on the alcohol, on the damages, which are, really easy to catch the attention, but it's really not what all this is about. And I am passionate about early intervention. I believe that if we could educate families, children, inspire them to manage their emotions in different ways, get emotional intelligence, really kind of work with themselves in different ways, then maybe we could cut addiction off at the pass. So some of the work that I have been doing is developing a model to help parents learn how to say no to their children, to teach their children acceptance. I don't think I've yet met an addict who has acceptance. Highly manipulative population who know exactly how to get life on their terms, even if it's pain on their terms. Life on life's terms, addicts don't do. So this particular model is 6 steps to acceptance. And I have another model that I've developed, which is around 5 steps to dealing with conflict. Stepping out of blame is really what it is. They're very clear, very simple. They don't have very clever titles. They're called the 5 steps and the 6 steps. But I'm currently getting them established, the intellectual property rights established alongside the therapeutic model that I practice at Charter, which is born of my years of recovery and practice as a therapist in addiction. And I'm also writing a book.